Hey, 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 guys. What's up? Oh my gosh, it's the day after Christmas. It's Boxing Day. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas yesterday. And it was well rested for me. I didn't come on camera. I just had a restful, wonderful day and watched Hallmark Christmas movies, had the hot chocolate with marshmallows, had the Christmas dinner. It was amazing. So, guys, welcome back. It's amazing to have you. It's a little cool here. I'm wearing a sweater. It's a little cool outside. And so, guys, welcome. And if you're new to me, welcome, welcome, guys. It's your girl, Georgette. And guys, my channel is all about inspiring you. I strive to motivate and in doing so you may just be transformed. I promise you. You may just transform your entire life like I have done. And so guys, stick around to the end, and after you'd have gained some value, I ask you to subscribe, smash it in, like and share the video. Also, put your notifications on because I drop a video daily. So, guys, as the Christmas is now over, we're now going in the new year. How are you taking your life like to another level, accelerating it, pressing the gas, moving forth? How are you doing that? And that's what I really want to touch on today, to ask you guys, how are you doing that? Getting your life to another level. How are you taking it to that another level as the year is ending? It makes all of us look on the inside, because I do that too. I'm like, okay, a new year is coming in. Even though I've been doing my thing, I want to take it up a notch. How are you accelerating your life? How do you want to do that? There are three things that I learned that I'm going to share with you. How to really accelerate, press on the gas, push forth, take it up a notch. How to do that with your life. And the first one for me, and that I've learned, is consistency, guys. You see, whatever the goal is that you're after, you have to be consistent. Some people in the beginning, they get fired up. And the pressure's on and it's intense. And they come out with fierce and fire and smoke. That's the intensity. And then they die down. So where is the consistency? You see, the goal that you are after, you have to be consistent. You have to do that thing, whatever it is, day in and day out, to go after the dream. It's in your consistency that you will accomplish the big goal that you've set. You can't be excited one day, oh my gosh, I'm going to do a video every day, or I'm going to work on the business every day, I'm going to do this, and then a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, you're done. It doesn't work that way. And I've learned that on my journey. And so I have made a vow to myself that I would be consistent in whatever it is that I'm doing, going after the goal. It doesn't matter how I feel. I did a video, guys. You can look it up. Now, I think I called it Not to Trust Yourself. Because if you trust how you feel, there are days when you don't feel like getting up and working the business. So what I would say, I think I watched somewhere on a vlog or something I watched, it said, just say 1, 2, 3 and jump up out the bag. Because if you wait for how you feel, you will never feel like getting up and working or putting in the work and to be consistent. So it's not about the intensity for a week or two. All you gotta do each day is be consistent and put the work in. However little, as long as you're being consistent. So that's the first thing I learned on my journey. And my mentor always said to me, consistency is key. It's with repetition, guys. He always says, repetition is the mother of skill. Consistency, guys. So if you really want to accelerate your life, if you really want to press the gas and go a bit faster in 2021, if you want to really take your life up to another level, to another notch, You got to now become consistent. If there's something that'll fall away at the wayside, you got to now look into yourself and say, you know what? Because all is not lost. Once you recognize that, hey, I've slackened off on doing this, I've slackened off on doing the next thing, then you see, once you have recognized, that's the first thing, you recognizing that you fell off, then you can get back up again, and you can now choose to be consistent and with repetition and do the thing day in and day out and press hard, press that gas. I have strong feet. I tend to drive very fast. So if you want to take it up a notch and accelerate your life for 2021, you got to be consistent in whatever it is you're doing. So that's the first one. And then the second one I learned, oh my gosh, this one is the sweat, blood, and tears that you're willing to put in. Are you willing to go further? Are you willing to go further than you even believe that you can? Are you willing to sweat harder, to go deeper after the goal? That's the second one. They call it the sweat equity, I think. That's what I believe the term was called when I heard that. The second thing is sweat equity. How far are you willing to go? How much are you willing to bleed? How much are you willing to sweat for the goal? That's it. That's what they call the sweat equity. That's the second one. Are you willing to lose sleep? Are you willing to sacrifice the friends and the family? Are you willing, in the midst of crying and bawling your eyes out, are you willing to continue to go after the goal even when it seems like nothing is working, but you're going after this goal? Are you willing to sweat blood, to go further and to go deeper until you have accomplished the goal, until the dreams that you've been dreaming is now a part of your reality? I know I am. And even though tough times may come for everybody, I'm dedicated and I am motivated and I'm going after the goal with sweat, with blood, with tears, and I'm being consistent daily. So you see, you got to be consistent with repetition, and you got to be willing to sweat blood. You got to be willing to sweat blood, the sweat equity. You got to be willing to go further and deeper to accomplish your goals and your dreams. That's the only way, guys. The other morning I went to bed like some minutes to 5 o'clock. I was researching, I was journaling, and I went to bed like 5 o'clock. And I said, okay, I want to get up at 8. I said, oh my gosh, I need my body to get. I said, okay, I'll get up at 9. Guys, how much do you want to go? How further do you want to go? How much further do you want to go in 2021? How much higher? What's the height? Are you willing to go to take your life further than it was in 2020? It's up to you. And then the third one that I learned, which I know about because I'm a part of it, it's your community. You got to have your group, your community that you're a part of, where they are same like-minded individuals. Not that you all think alike or after the same goals, because everyone has their own goals and dreams, but you are like-minded. You're positive. Everyone has their own goals and their own dreams. And then you have persons that have accomplished theirs, that we look up to, that can really keep us in check because they have accomplished big goals. And so they are guiding us how to. So you need your community of like-minded individuals that also keeps you accountable. It also keeps you accountable, because I know if I don't see persons active, I would say, are you okay? And I'll message persons because of the group that I'm in, and so you need your like-minded community, positive, where everyone is on their own journey. Not everyone is after the same thing, but everyone is setting goals and is going after their goals. So you're like-minded and you're positive. Yeah, so the three things, it's your consistency with repetition, If you're willing to sweat, blood, tears, the sweat equity, and then your community. Those are the three components that you need to accelerate your life for 2021, to level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up for 2021. That's it, guys. And out of the three, I'm in my community. I have my like-minded community. The sweat equity, I can tell you that I no longer go to bed the time I used to go to bed. I've now given up a lot of sleep because my mentors, I listen to them and they've accomplished their goals. And he always says, poor people sleep a lot. They sleep, so they're well rested, but they're poor. So I would prefer to lack a little sleep, but to go after my goals, because I got to retire, mommy. And I'm retiring, mommy, in 2021. So my goals, I have some big goals and some big whys, and I'm willing to lose a little bit of sleep. I don't think I look like it, but I do catch up on my sleep, you know. And then the consistency for sure. I can always up my game, but I promise myself to be consistent with recording a video for you guys every day, to work my business every day. And there are a lot of things that I do. I make sure I have my time set to do these things. And those are the three components really to level up, to take your life up a notch for 2021. Guys, I hope I gave you value. I really, really do hope you got some value. And if you did, and if you're new to the channel, and if you like your girl Georgette, please smash in on the subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on, guys. And I'm going to leave you a free gift below. You can click on the link and grab your free gift, guys. I send you so much love and light. It's your girl Georgette. As always, keep watching because I'm going to leave you videos popping up. Bye-bye. Sending you love. Mwah!